If you've watched some of my videos, then you'd notice that I often show you my screen or record my screen, demonstrate some of the tutorials I do. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can record your screen on a PC. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So you need to record your screen. So it could be for work, for a presentation, to show a colleague something and you can talk over it, to explain something. Whatever reason you need to record your screen, this tutorial's got you covered. Just to call out that this tutorial is for PC users only. I mean people who are looking to record their screens on a PC. If you guys are interested in the Mac version of this tutorial, then put your request down in the comment section, and if I get enough requests, then I'll do it. So let's get to it. As you can see, I've already opened up Google and I will search for Screen Rec. So this software is not only free, but the reviews about it are also good as well. And I'm actually using it to show you my screen right now. So the first thing you need to do is search for Screen Rec. Here you go. And it is this one, screenrec.com. And this is what we want. Yeah. So, let's just wait for that to load properly. Yeah, so this video is not sponsored in any way. So, just to reassure you guys that I'm actually, genuinely recommending this because it works. It's a free software, doesn't put any watermarks on your videos. It's just like amazing. Yeah, and it's so easy to use as well. So once you are ready to proceed, you click on download free. And you can download the video version, the Linux version, or the Mac version, and you can see all the kind of benefits on the right hand side here. So it's 100% free. There are no watermarks, so no recording limits for you. You can capture screenshots as well as video. Once you're ready to proceed, then you can download it. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to do it again. Download it, go to the folder you downloaded to, and run it. And once you install it properly, then you will see this icon. So it's the Screen Rec icon on your desktop. And once you click on it, then it will ask you to register. So you need to register, put whatever username, set up a password for it. And once you are happy and you save your details, then basically you will see this little, I don't know what to call it a shortcut that you can move around. Let's see, you can always move it around. You can move it to the top, to the bottom, and it stays there. It's quite sticky. And so there are three options. As you can see, the video option on mine is currently red because I'm showing you my screen. So this icon is to take a screenshot. This is to record. This is to look at your history, so your recording library. So after you finish recording or taking a screenshot, you can look at all your files. And this is just to adjust your settings. So as I'm recording right now, you can see that it's already recording. So once you finish recording, you click on the icon again and it will automatically save the recordings for you. So let me just open this up for you guys to see how the library looks like. So this is what the recording library looks like. So you can see all my past recordings using it. So I have 46 items altogether, 46 videos, and you can expand it, you can share it, you can delete it, you can preview it, and you can save it to your computer, and it saves as an MP4, which is perfect for me because I can just import that straight into my software to edit. So it's really, really great. So if you guys are looking for a software to record your screen, either a video or a screenshot, then I would really recommend Screen Rec. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope it was helpful.
If this video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, come on, hit that subscribe button to join our wonderful growing family where we can learn and share ideas together. Before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.